Hello, this is Tristan from clocksupcycle.co.uk and just wanted to show you another conversion. So this was a mantel clock with a broken mechanical movement. The customer didn't want it to be repaired and instead opted for a quartz conversion, which currently this one would be £57.50 for the conversion, including return postage. As always, we're trying to keep the clock externally looking like it always has. If I just take this off the back, we can see what I've done. There's the new quartz movement in there. Originally it would have been the movement would have been screwed to the brass tube to hold it all together. What I've done is I just 3D printed these spacers, which when pushed in and the back's placed in, holds everything together, keeps it all nice and tight, and there it is. So they're the original hands. They've been adapted to fit the new quartz movement. If you've got anything similar you want me to have a look at, please get in touch. Visit clocksupcycled.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Cheers.